Enjoy maintenance-free living, resort-style amenities, and mountain views just 2 miles from downtown Charlottesville. Not only will you have a beautiful new craftsman-style home, you'll have plenty of free time to enjoy the amenities because yard maintenance is included. Take a splash in the pool or enjoy evening walks throughout the community's trails and parks. Invite all of your friends over to a backyard cookout. They'll leave in awe over the breathtaking views of the Blue Ridge Mountains. The best thing, you get to see that view every day. Dreading the commute to work? No need. Cascadia is convenient to routes 250, 64, and 29. Or why not work from home? Cascadia offers high-speed fiber internet connectivity. I'm Lee Burris with Ryan Homes, and I can't wait to meet you. Cascadia, love where you live.